Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen. Today we're going to have a 5-minute wig review. Now keep in mind that 5 minutes doesn't start till I actually start talking about the wig. But we're going to do things different today. We're going to film here in my living room. I wanted to use this natural light. I have a bank of windows here. I have overhead lighting. I have one small ring light on my telephone. So I don't have any studio lighting or anything like that in here today. But I want to show you this style. This is Belle Tress Torino, and the color is Raw Sugar Blonde R. I have filmed it before, I've reviewed it, you've seen me wear this color, but I think this style is so cute and I wanted to really give you a short look at it. I purchased this wig from Wig Studio One, so if you'll go to the drop down box below this video, there will be a link there. Okay, let's have some fun. Look at Belle Tress Torino because 5 minutes starts right now. All right, Torino, it is part of the Belle Tress City Collection, heat-friendly fibers, of course. This one fit me perfectly. The other City collections I had fit me a little large. This one did not. I feel like I got a perfect fit. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference and I did not have to do any adjustment at all. There is little to no permatease in this wig, but I will tell you, I believe there is a lot of fiber on this wig. That's how I've been able to get some height here, but there's not a lot of permatease going on here, in my opinion. Now, this wig has one of my favorite features on wigs, and that is flippy back on wigs. I love these little short wigs that have all these flippy ends, and this wig is just full of layers. But this little back where it's just flippy and easy to take care of and fun, I think they did a great job with that. Now let's quickly talk about this color, Raw Sugar Blonde R, a mixture of neutral light blonde, honey blonde, pale gold blonde, and it has this base of light brown low lights. So you can see that, and it's all on this medium brown root. And like I said, I'm going to insert some video of it in different lighting so you can get a good look at it. But isn't this a pretty color? I like all of these different shades of blonde. And you can see that darker base. Nice lace front here. There's my coverage, good coverage, but a really nice lace front on this wig. It has this 5-inch bang. The nape is 4 inches and the weight is 2.9 ounces. I would just put I have some sea salt spray here. You could just spray that. And you know, that just gives you that little bit of separation and texture. Easy to do. I just can't say enough. I think this is adorable. Style it behind your ears, which is always the way I like to wear mine, or you can wear it out. The messier, the better, in my opinion. It's just a short, fun, full of layer style. I hope you enjoyed this short look at this fun new style from Belle Tress. Let me know if you like these 5-minute wig reviews. They're kind of fun. There's something different, right? I think we hit all the highlights of the wig, everything we needed to know. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below and I will answer them as quickly as I can. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And hey, I'll see you next time.